everyone, welcome to Modern Parenting. So today we'll be talking about Kodomo Hair and Body Wash, and this is the milled original version. This product is a product of Lion Corporation, which is a Japanese company, and this container contains 400 ml of product, and this is also suitable for newborn babies. So everything is properly written here. The main ingredients in this product is primrose oil and wheat germ extract, which are both very great for the baby's skin. It moisturizes the hair and skin, and also nourishes the hair and skin. So this product is very convenient because it is a shampoo and body wash 2-in-1, which is great and convenient to use. Another thing is this is a pH balanced product. It is free from paraben, alcohol, soap, then SLS, colorant, everything which are not good for a baby's skin. It does not have all those ingredients. Also silicone, it does not have silicone, and it is completely pH balanced, which is why it is a non-irritant to the eyes, skin. So this is great. I have been using this product on my babies for last 2 months. Before this container, I finished another container of the same product, so I can give my honest review about this product. This product, since it is a pH balanced product, it does not cause any irritation to the baby's eyes and the skin. It is not harsh at all. It is very gentle to the baby's skin. It does not cause any irritation to the baby's eyes, so which means the baby is tear free. Another thing is, after shower, the skin of the baby feels very hydrated and soft. So this is another great point. I have went through a lot of reviews about this product, and most of the reviews are positive. So people, the parents are using this product on their babies. They are giving good reviews as well. The price of this container is 600 taka for 400 ml of product. So it is quite reasonable as well. Since the dispenser is pump, it is very convenient to use as well. This 400 ml product will go along for 2 to 3 months at least if you use it every day. I will show you the texture of this product. I will take a little bit of this product on my palm and show you. The consistency is not very thick nor very thin. It causes reasonable amount of foam after rubbing it on the palm. And the smell is also great. It's very sweet, and kids like it. Since this is a 2-in-1 product, people like to buy this kind of products because it is hassle free. You don't need to separate products when you are giving your baby a bath. So this is also very convenient, and the price of this product is also quite reasonable. So you will get a foreign product for a reasonable price as well. And of course the quality is good. The quality is good compared to the price. So I definitely recommend everybody to buy this product and use it on their babies. It is quite, it is not harsh on the baby's skin and hair. The price is reasonable, and you can find this product in the local market as well. So definitely buy this product and use it, and let me know in the comment section if you like this product, and if you liked my review. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.